Alright, your girl ShaySkyler is back with another video, guys. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair. I saw another YouTuber do this and I'm like, you know what, I did color my hair this week. It was a lighter color, more of like a blonde when I bleached it. So I want to give it like a darker color, but I didn't want to use bleach again. All right, so she gave me a way on her tutorial how she colored a unit. It was a darker unit, so this should take really well, and all of the items that she used. So I'm super excited about this video. So guys, what you're gonna need is a mixing bowl, and for my color it's gonna be like kind of like a brownish reddish color. This color, the color that I'm getting, is actually from an Instagrammer, not from the girl who tutorial I saw. So L'Oreal high color for dark hair only, sizzling copper. We have red fire, okay, and then we also have the light auburn, okay. And then you're also going to need 40 developer for this. All right, now all right guys, so I'm using the Revlon high colors. However, before I get started in this process, I need to tell you, you're not going to see me mix in. There's a small container that comes inside of this package that you need to include as well. You'll see at the end of the video. I'm going to use it in the second half. That's the color. So don't make that mistake. But you're just going to take the hair and you're going to separate it so that you can apply the contents of the package on the top portion and the bottom portion of each section that you have made. This is going to ensure that the color is thoroughly distributed and that you can see it all over the hair, and that you're not still seeing the color that was previously on the hair. So make sure that you wear your gloves. I only had a glove on one hand, but you need to make sure that you put it on two, because you do not want this color to get on you. Even though this is non-bleaching method, this color does have a lot of properties in there with the bleach effect. So you want to make sure that you put gloves on both hands. So I use every single ounce of this mixture, okay? And you just want to make sure that you use every drop for a wig. This is about 4 bundles in my unit. So that's the color I was telling you about, as you can see. So it's going to turn into like this reddish orangish color. So I'm just going to reapply this. I used the first portion and used it all the way through, and then I'm just going to apply this to the unit so that I can really get that color. So don't forget. And this is the end result. This is how it looks. I love this color, and boom, this is the install. This is going to be a 2-part video so you guys can see how I install this unit. Make sure that you thumbs up, like, and comment. Let me know if you've ever used the Revlon high color. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.